Good morning, students. I am so happy to welcome you all on behalf of Bethlehem Metric and Higher Secondary School. Myself, I am Pravin Lawrence, teacher of Mathematics Department in this school. It is our first day online platform. Why? Because of pandemic corona, we cannot come to our school. I hope you all are safe along with your family, and same way we also safe along with our family. My dear students, I have a humble request for everyone: be safe. Let us today our topic is Vedic Maths. What is Vedic Maths? Someone known very well, someone not familiar, someone not clear. Whatever it is, no problem. I will tell you what is that. Let us people listen very carefully. So the Vedic Maths, it's very useful for the students and the students those who are going to competitive exam. So it's one of the benefit time saver. Example, one student's going to the competitive exam, the time 1 hour is there means one questions, each and every one question 30 to 40 seconds only you have. If you in such a case, definitely you have to make the shortcut method, then only you can apply and find out the very easy answer. If you thoroughly full confident in the Vedic Maths, I'm sure you can very satisfied whatever the competitive exam. So yeah, and another one, mind power calculation will be increased. Mind power means so 7 plus 8 already we know the 7 plus 8 is 15. That 15 how to take in seconds, that is very important. Okay, so I have planned today start with Vedic addition. So addition means simply every student's thing your own mind. I also catch your mind. Addition already very easy, no? But simply what I am saying, addition is not easy as well as not difficult also in Vedic Maths. Okay, let us come to the topic Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics, simply we can say that is called Veda. Okay, Veda means knowledge. What is the meaning? Veda means knowledge. So what are the type in Veda? We have the 4 different type. Okay, type 1 Rig Veda, type 2 Azur Veda, type 3 Zama Veda, then type 4 Adharvana Veda. Adharvana Veda. Okay, so Zama Veda, Azur Veda, Rig Veda, Adharvana Veda. The last Adharvana Veda, it's called mathematics as well as Vedic Maths also. Okay, so science also will come in Adharvana Veda topic. Okay, Adharvana Veda topic, mathematics, so Vedic Maths. Okay, so Adharvana Veda, let's move on. The different type is there. In addition also we have the different type of is there, especially the Veda mathematics already I told you. Then here some sutra. Sutra means we know the formula, isn't it? So totally 29 sutra is there. How much? 29 sutra is there. So 29 sutra means 16 main sutra. So 16 we can say 16 main formula, 16 main sutra and 13 Upa Sutra. Okay, 13, totally 29 sutras. So 29 sutra means we can say 29 formula. So in 29 sutra, 16 main, 13 Upa Sutra. Upa Sutra means sub formula. So 16 main formula and 13 sub formula. Okay, we can count like that. Okay, I'm moving to first topic of Vedic Maths in addition. Okay, so that is Sudra name Dharma Shah, Dasam Shaha. Okay, Dasam Saha. That is simply we can say line addition. Line addition. Line addition. Example, the line addition means we can say one line addition, 2-line addition, 3-line addition, and etc. We can say 4, 5, 6 like that. Example, the 1-line addition, listen, 3, 5, 6, 9, 4, 8, 7, 5, 9, 8 is there. So how to add within 2 or 3 seconds? Listen, very simple. I will count like that. So how I am saying now, listen the topic. 9 plus 8 is there. 9 plus 8 means more than 10. Balance how much? 7. The next one, 7 plus 5, 12. I am telling more than 10 means 2 balance is there. Again 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 8 means 17. More than 7. That's why I have the borrow. Next one, we have the balance 7 is there. 7 plus 4, balance 1 is there, more than 10. That's why borrow is there. Next condition, 1 borrow. 9 plus 1 means 10 borrow. 6 plus 5, more than 1 is there. Next one, 1 plus 3, that is no need the borrow. 1 plus 3, we can write it 4 here. Then count very speed like that. 2, 4, 6. As well as 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 like that. So we can say no, 64. So answer will be 64. Look at there. Normally how to add? Example, 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 9, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 8, 35. 35 plus 7, 42. 42 plus 5, 47. 47 plus 9, 56. 56 plus 8 is equal to 64. So if you count like that, it will take a time. Example, another one, speed addition method. Listen, same format we can apply, but 10 means we can take 1 borrow. So 2 plus 4, 6, 1, 1 plus 8, 9, 2, 2 plus 5, 7 will come, isn't it? So 7 means write it here, then line 1, true. Then listen, 2 plus 7, 9, 7, 6, 3, 7, 10. That is very, very important. 10 we hit stop, isn't it? So now the 10 means write it 0 here, then count 3 and 4. 407. So 407. Listen very carefully. So definitely 30 plus 40, 70. 70 plus 70, 140. Then 90 plus 80, 170. 170 plus 70 means 240. Then balance 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 5, 21, 21 plus 2, 23, 23 plus 4 is equal to 27. Look at there, 7, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 2 means 0, we 1, carry 1, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, 407. So, if you know full confidence, definitely you can attempt. Okay, this is a 2-line addition. Okay, one more example also. Look at there, 5, 0, 3, 1, 1 plus 5, 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 0, 5, 4, 5 plus 4, 9. Again 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 6, 6 plus 8, 14. So 4, 1, 2, 2, 6, isn't it? So 2. So 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 646. This is a 2-line addition, Vedic maths. Okay. Now next one. So 2 line addition. So now moving to 3 line addition. Okay. 7, 5, 8. So 3, 4, 7, 9, 8, 7, 3, 9, 4, 5, 3, 4, 2, 5, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, the same concept. So 1, then 8 plus 1, 9, 3, 3 plus 4, 7, 4, 4 plus 7, 1, 1 plus 8 means 9. So 2 plus 2, 4, 10, 3 plus 5, 8, 1, 0, 2, 2 plus 5, 7, again 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 10, 2 plus 5, 7, 10, 9 plus 3, 2, 2 plus 7 means 9. So 1, 2, 3. Answer 3979. This is the way Dasam Shaha line addition. We can apply 1 line, 2 line or 3 line. This is Vedic Maxim one method in addition also. This is Dasam Shaha line addition. Then second method in addition, that is called spark addition. Okay. I hope, listen, this method, each and every number we are counting right to left. Already you watch 1 line, 2 line and 3 line, each and every method we have applied right to left. But now we are seeing left to right. That is what is the name? Spark addition. So term also left to right, that is name Vyava Galanam. What is the sutra name? Vyava Galanam. Okay. That is formula name Vyava Galanam. Listen. Spark addition. First I am moving to apply a double digit plus single digit. So this type, first you have to full confident in end number concept. So end number concept means, look at there, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. What I am saying, 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. So end number, what is the end number is there? 3. So full and full depends upon end number. If you throw the end number, I can sure you are the genius. So you are the genius. Listen very carefully. 9 plus 5 is equal to end number 4. So 8 plus 8, end number 6. 9 plus 7, end number 6. 8 plus 8, end number 6. 7 plus 8, end number 5. As well as 6 plus 6, end number 2. 3 plus 7, end number 0. Listen, okay, very, very carefully. The next one, 5 plus 8, 3. 4 plus 7, 1. 7 plus 8, 5. 9 plus 9, 8. 9 plus 3, 2. 9 plus 2, 1. If you have full confidence the end number, you are the very genius in spark addition, whatever the number. Okay, very, very easy. Listen, I am moving to first method, that is a double digit plus single digit. Example, 35 and 9. Okay, 35 and 9. Now look at there, 3 down, there is no number. There is no number, we can think about what is the name? 0 is, so 3 plus 0. Before writing the 3, next digit you can check it, more than 10 or below 10. So that's why more than 10 means just add one number with 3. 3 plus 1 means 4. Then end number, 9 plus 5, end number 4, 44. 35 plus 9 is equal to 44. This one more, 45 and 9. Look at there. Before writing the 4, next one, more than 10, below 10. If it below 10 means you can add one number with previous digit. So 4 plus 1 means 5. End number 4. So I hope you understand what is the difference of how to add in double digit and single digit. 65 and 4 is there. Now look at very carefully. End number not more than 10. So such a type of case, you can write 6 as it is. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. This is your answer. So have confident the difference of more than 10 and below 10. I am moving to next type, double digit plus double digit. So double digit plus double digit, 67 and 48. Listen, the same one, okay, but double digit plus double digit, 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, the 10 will come. Before writing the 10, next one more than 10 or below 10. Look at there, definitely we can say more than 10. Therefore 10 plus 1 means 11. End number concept, 8 plus 7, end number 5. This is the way left to right, that is Sutra name Vyavagalanam. So we will apply one more double digit plus double digit. So 98 and 69. Look at there, 9 plus 6, 15. Before writing the 15, next one more than 10 or below 10. More than 10. So definitely we can write it 16. End number 7. This is the way double digit plus double digit. You can apply for homework also. So you can write it some whatever the 2 digit plus 2 digit. Okay, it's very useful. Okay, I can show it's very useful for your competitive, especially during the teaching time. So multiplication also is there, addition also will come. So you can apply the short trick method. No need to apply counted 8 plus 5. No need to apply for your finger also. No need. If you have full confidence in Vedic maths. Okay, I am moving to next one, triple digit plus double digit. Triple digit plus double digit. So triple digit, 9, 6, 7, double digit, 35. Very easy. So left to right method, no? 96 plus 3, what the number will come? 99. Before writing the 99, next one more than 10 or below 10. We can write no. Listen very carefully, more than 10 or below 10, 100 will come, isn't it? So then you can check it, 7 plus 5, end number, so 1002. Look at there, 967. So 967 means definitely 960 you can take. 960 plus 30 means 990. Then 7 plus 5 means definitely 1002. So 1002. This is the way. Okay. Next go down. One more example. So 567, 95. Look at there, 56 plus 9, 64. Before writing the 64, next one. Sorry dear, 56 plus 9 means 65. Okay, 65. Before writing the 65, next one check it there, 65. Next one more than 10 or below 10, more than 10. So definitely we can write it 65, add one number, 66. Then 7 plus 5, end number 2, 662. So one more, 782, 85. 78 plus 8, 86. Before writing the 86, next one more than 10 or below 10, below 10. So you can write it 86 as it is. Therefore 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. This is your answer for triple digit plus double digit. Okay, now you can apply triple digit or triple digit also. Okay, an example we can apply. Triple digit plus triple digit, 654, 856. So now look at there, 8 plus 6, 14. Before writing the 14, next one, definitely we can say more than 10. Therefore 15 8 plus 6, 14, 15 will come. Now 5 plus 5, end number 0. Before writing the 0, next one check it. More than 10 or below 10? More than. Therefore 0 plus 1 means 1 will come. Now end number 6. This is the answer for 654 plus 856. Next one. So 9 plus 8, 17. Before writing the 17, next one, definitely we can say 18 will come. End number of 9 plus 5, 4. Before writing the 4, next one, more than 10 or below 10? More than 10. So 4 becomes 4, 5. Next one, 9 plus 7, end number 6. This is the answer for 999 plus 857. Okay. Now I am moving to subtraction method. I hope so. Please, my dear students, if you have any doubt in the addition method, please put in comment box. Okay, I am ready to clarify your doubts also. Okay, I am moving to subtraction method. Subtraction sutra name Viloganam. What is the name? Viloganam. So spark subtraction. Okay, this is also simply like spark addition we have. So the word also is there, no? Addition we apply more than 10 or below 10. So more than 10 means I am telling about the addition. So more than 10 means before writing the number, add one number. So subtraction means just to think about it, just imagine it. Decreasing the number, so reduce one number. Addition means add one number, subtraction means decreasing the number. Listen, one by one we can discuss, but before moving to the subtraction method, first you have to familiar of complements of the name. So complement means, what is the meaning of match and mismatch? Match and mismatch. Listen very carefully. Match 7 minus 4, 4 minus 7. Listen. So I have these 7 apples. Definitely I can share 4 apples to another friend or third party. Possible is there now. So practically we can say. So this is type of the name. What is the name? Match. Now, so another one explanation for the match definition. Subtrahend minuend. That is what actually first name. This is called minuend. Okay. Minuend. This is called subtrahend. So what I am saying, the definition for the match number, minuend greater than subtrahend. We can say this is called match as well as mismatch. But 4 minus 7, I have the 4 apple only, but I should be shared to the friend or third party 7. Possible? Practically, definitely we can say it's not possible. So 4 minus 7 is there. This is the name minuend less than subtrahend. That is called mismatch. What is the name? Mismatch. Now I hope you understand what is the difference between match and mismatch. Okay. Then such a cases, mismatch cases, you have to thoroughly the complements. Example, once. Complements, once complements, then 2 complements, then 3 complements, then 4 complements, then 5 complements. So one number is there. To make it 9, how much number we have to add? How many number? So definitely we can say no. 1 to make it 10 means definitely 9 balances there. So 2 make it for 10 means definitely 8. 3 to make it for 10 means 7 of complements. So 4 complements means 6. 5 complements means 5 as it is. Okay. This is the complements. If you know the complements, it's very easy to apply for the subtraction method in Vedic maths. This is also definitely the same concept, addition, but little bit different. Okay. So listen, moving to the problem. So problem, first one, match, isn't it? So match means definitely we can apply the number double digit minus single digit. So double digits, 36 minus 9. Listen, the Spark addition method, what I did, so 3 means next one more than 10 means add one number, but this is subtraction. Before writing the 3, next line more than 10 means definitely you have to reduce one number. So 3 minus 1 means 2. Then second of the down number, complements of 9. Complements of 9 means already I told you what is the number? 1. Therefore 6 plus 1 means answer will be 9. So 36 minus 9 is equal to 27. This is also the Spark subtraction also. What is the name? Left to right. Okay, don't forget. That's why. So Spark addition also Vyavagalana method, that is also left to right. But here Spark addition, that is Viloganam Sutram. Here also left to right method. The first one, I hope you understand, double digit minus single digit. One more number, 98 minus 4. So listen very carefully. Before writing the 9, next one, look at there. This is match or mismatch number. I can sure this is match number because 8 minus 4 possible. Therefore 9 as it is, 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Here mismatch. That's why we have taken complements of 9, value will be 1. Then before writing the 3 also reduce one number. That's why 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. I hope you have understand the difference of match number and mismatch number. Okay. So next one, a double digit. Okay, double digit minus double digit. Okay, so double digit minus double digit, 45 minus 36. 45 minus 36. 45 minus 36 means, look at there, 4 minus 3. So 1 will come. Before writing the 1, next one, match or mismatch. Definitely we can say this is called mismatch. If it mismatch means 1 becomes 0. Now look at there, complements of 6. Complements of 6 means 4 will come now. Therefore we can say now 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So 36 plus 9 is equal to 45. Okay. So next one also. Look at there, 7 minus 5, 2. Next one, match or mismatch? Mismatch. Therefore 2 becomes 1. Then mismatch means complements of 7. Definitely we can say now what the number will come. So here actually the not critical type, 7 minus 5 means 2 is there. Listen very carefully because this type of cases also complements of 7, 3 will come. So 8 plus 3 is equal to 11 will come. So 11 will come means, so 11 will come in, already we have carry 1 is there now. So carry definitely we can write now true. Therefore true and 1 will come. So look at there, normally how to apply 78 minus 57. So 78 minus 57 means 8 minus 7, 1, 7 minus 5, true. That method we have applied here. So this type of cases, listen very carefully. So definitely 7 minus 5, true will come. Before writing the 2, next one, match or mismatch? Sorry my dear, this is match, isn't it? That's why I struggled. This is match number. So match number means no need to write the complements. Okay, this is my mistake. Okay, how to rectify it? This is match number, no, 8 minus 7. This is match. So no need to decreasing of the true as it is, because 7 minus 5 true as it is. Next one match number, therefore 8 minus 7 is equal to, we can write it 21 as it is. Okay, this is the way. I hope you are very satisfied in this session. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. I am ready to clarify your doubts also. Okay, I will continue the next session. Bye bye.